LG G3 developer options. Settings, general, about phone, software information, build number, tap 7 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You are now a developer. You are now a developer. Main menu, settings, general, developer options. Now you are a developer. You can turn it on or off. Thank you for watching.